Hey there, glad you could join me. How are you doing? I'm Daryl Ballard, and in this video we're going to talk about the third essential online tool for your business and the last one, and that is a click tracker. Okay, so let's get right into it. What is a click tracker and why do you need it? Well, what you're doing when you bring traffic to a website is what we call getting clicks. People click on an offer, click on an advertisement, and come to your website, and you need to track those clicks. You need to know which of your ads they're coming from, which of your emails they're coming from, where are these clicks that are coming to your website, coming to your offers, going to your sales page or the sales page of the company that you're an affiliate for. You need to know about all of those things so that you can improve your websites, choose the right advertising to get your traffic. You need to know that you're making money. After all, this is an online business. What are you trying to do? You're trying to make some money. You probably have a lot of other goals too, but you certainly need to make some money. If you're not making money, what are you doing? Why are you doing it? Okay, so it's essential that you have a click tracker. All right, and what we're going to take a look at right now is the one that I choose to use, and probably the most highly rated, again, at least for small business applications. There may be something for big businesses out there that may even be custom made or, but highly expensive things. This is the highest rated, what everybody uses, at least if they're in a small business. All right, and it's called ClickMagic. The magic part is spelled M-I-G-I-C-K, M-A-G-I-C-K, ClickMagic. It's found at clickmagic.com. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. We'll do a screen share again here and take a look at ClickMagic. Now, all I've done is signed into my account and gone to this links area here so that I can show you my links. Okay, and you see I've got email follow-up, I've got from different types of solo ads, which I don't use anymore. I've got, looks like 3 pages of different links here. I've got links from YouTube, if it'll go to the second page. It's taking its time, a little bit slow. There's my YouTube links, that sort of thing. So what do you get when you are tracking your links? Well, what these different things stand for here: total clicks, unique clicks. These are filtered clicks, ones that could have come from robots or ones that sometimes they will pick up that are testing, that sort of thing. Actions, when somebody has taken action on your link. And then these down here are how you can actually track dollars and actions and so on per click so that you can figure out what is successful. I'm not using that a whole lot yet. When your business is small, you keep track of some of these things on your own. Once you've scaled it to very large, you're going to need more and more automation, and these things will become more important. Okay, so what do you do when you are creating a link in ClickFunnels? Well, what you do is make a specific link URL that relates to, and all of these, that's what these are. If you look at one of my links here, you'll see that it's a specific link that then sends people to a web page of some sort. This is a link for my affiliate page. I've actually given it a special link name too, because sometimes it's better to put something a little different than your standard link in some of the algorithms will filter out certain things and not let that work. So you need to have a link that looks just right, okay? But this is the things that you can do with ClickFunnels. Now, another thing that you can do, if you'll notice this little symbol right here, another thing you can do is split test different pages, different landing pages, different pages in your funnel with this. You can make a slight variation of a page and you can test the two together. I think if I go back to this first page, I have one that I tested and I can show that to you. Let's look at this one here. Okay, so I have these set up as a 50-50, every other one. Actually, it's not every other one, it's completely random, but it ends up being half and half. And actually, ClickFunnels will test this and will let you know, if you've got it set up in your notifications, will let you know when when one of them has statistically shown to not be very good. So you can choose not to use that one anymore. You can keep the good one. You can do another variation on it and test that. You know, lots of things that you can do with a ClickFunnels account. And I'm sure there are other trackers that will do that. Again, I'm not trying to specifically sell you on one click tracker, but it's something you definitely need. I highly recommend ClickMagic, but you can certainly use whatever you want to do that. It's just essential that you have something like that. If you don't, you're not going to know what's working. You're not going to be able to do these split tests. There's just so many things that you're not going to know. You're going to be working blind and your business is not going to succeed. Okay, so that's what a click tracker is. Again, another very essential piece of your online business. The last big one that we're going to talk about, I can certainly say that there are other little things that you might need, but these are the three big ones: the Autoresponder, the Funnel Builder, and finally, what we talked about today, the Click Tracker. If you want a successful online business, one that you can automate and scale so that you can make a full-time and more income out of it, you have to have these types of tools. All right, now I've put a link below this video, the second link for ClickMagic and a 14-day trial. If that's something you're interested in looking into and trying out, no risk. You've got a 14-day trial, so you can check it out and see if ClickMagic is the click tracker for you. Also, the first link is for my 4-day course on developing a 6-figure online business. You can check that out if that's something you're interested in as well. Okay, hope this video has been helpful. Definitely give me some likes, comment, tell me what tools do you use for your online business if you've already got an online business up and going. All right, thank you very much. I'm Daryl Ballard, and we'll see you in the next video.